तो फाइनली, तो दैट मीन्स कि v2 माइनस v1, दैट मीन्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी बाय फाइनल टाइम माइनस इनिशियल टाइम, दैट इज द acceleration, value of acceleration. That means this is known as slope of the graph. This is known as slope of the graph, or this is the acceleration. This is the acceleration of the moving body. In that graph, both are similar, but numerically, how we can represent this? Ki look at this. Suppose that ki 0 to a. That means ki 0 to a. Suppose that ki 0 to t3. 0 to t3, सपोज दैट कि 0 to t3 के बीच का जो एक्सेलरेशन होगा, सपोज दैट a b एंड c, दिस पॉइंट c, a b एंड c. तो लुक एट दिस 0 to a, तो ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर व्हाट इन y एक्सिस, दैट मींस ac परपेंडिकुलर टू y एक्सिस एंड ab परपेंडिकुलर टू x एक्सिस. ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर ac परपेंडिकुलर टू x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस सॉरी, एंड ab परपेंडिकुलर टू x एक्सिस. That means slope of the curve, look, draw, D-R-A-W, draw, perpendicular, draw, AC perpendicular y axis, and AB perpendicular x axis. And look at this, कि this value, that means OC will be equals to what? AB, and OC equals to what? AB. From the graph, OC equal to AB, that means OC equal to AB. तो acceleration will be equals to what? तो acceleration acceleration equal to what? Change of velocity, change in velocity, speed velocity by time taken, for the change. Time taken for the change of the velocity. Look at this simply. This first one is also correct. Second one is normally, देखो अब देखो पहला भी ग्राफ क्लियर था, उससे कोई कष्ट नहीं है, और सेकंड वाला ग्राफ सिर्फ तुमको हमको एज अ न्यूमेरिकली तुमको बताएंगे कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे सिंपली. अब देखो कि 0 से लेकर के a तक के बीच का एक्सेलरेशन, तो सिंपली हमने क्या किया, थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन किया इन द ग्राफ. तो ए पॉइंट ले लिए उस ग्राफ पे कहीं पे भी, तो ए से परपेंडिकुलर ए सी डाले वाई एक्सिस पे, एंड ए से परपेंडिकुलर ए बी परपेंडिकुलर डाले एक्स एक्सिस पे. एंड लुक एट द ग्राफ, फ्रॉम द ग्राफ दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? दिस डिस्टेंस, तो वी कैन से दैट कि ओ सी विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? ए बी. ओ सी इक्वल टू व्हाट? ए बी. एंड तो एज वी नो दैट कि एक्सेलरेशन विल बी टू व्हाट? Acceleration equal to change in speed or velocity by time taken for the change. Look at this. Acceleration is denoted by a. A equal to what? Change in velocity. That means change in velocity. The final velocity is there a, and initial velocity is what? 0. The 0 minus a equals to what? A. The velocity, final velocity is that what? Final velocity is that OC. This is the velocity, na? This is the speed. This is speed or velocity. This is the final velocity. That means the final velocity is what? OC by time. Time is what? 0 to 3, na? That means 0 to 3. That means OB. So OB is the time. OB is the time, and we know that and कि OB equals to what? AB. So that means A will be equals to what? AB by BC. Sorry, AB by OB. 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 This is known as slope of the graph. Slope of the graph. That means कि AB by OB is known as slope of the graph. Slope of the graph. Slope of the graph. That means कि here AB by OB is equal to what? SLOP, slope of the graph. AB by OB is the slope of the graph. Slope of the graph. Slope of the graph. Slope of the graph. and the slope of the graph, second, the slope of the graph, the slope of the graph, the slope of the graph, the slope of the speed of time graph, the slope of the speed of time, speed time graph, the slope speed time slope, the slope of the graph, the slope of the graph gives acceleration of the body, gives acceleration of the body. Slope of the graph gives acceleration of the body. So this is the simply speed time graph when a body is moving with uniform velocity. So after using this concept, we can solve all those questions which is related to the concept, which is related to the topics. Or this statement can be written as like that कि the slope of a speed time graph of a moving body, slope of the speed time graph of a moving body, this is gives the acceleration of the body. That means उसका जो speed time graph का जो slope का वैल्यू होगा वही हमको क्या देगा, acceleration देगा, हम लोग को क्या देगा, acceleration देगा. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिस्टेंस कवर करेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस. नहीं, when a body is moving with uniform speed, how we can calculate the distance? So simply we will calculate the distance. Now the distance traveled by a body, the distance traveled by a moving body in a given time from the speed time graph. That means how we can calculate the distance covered by the body in a given time from the speed time graph. So simply, as we know that speed, how we can calculate, look at this. This is the rectangular shape of the figure. This is the rectangular shape and this is O and x-axis is time, y-axis is speed. The distance time graph से जब भी आपको distance calculate करना है, that means कि this is the distance, that means upper part, this one is the distance. This value will be equal to what? This value, if we will divide this rectangle in equal two parts, that means कि this one is what? This is one, this one is will be equal to what? This one, because that line, suppose that A and B, AC is equal to OB and OC is equal to AB. So that means this distance, that means this portion is equal to what? This portion is equal to what? This portion. So look at the picture. This figure looks like a triangle. This picture is completely looks like a triangle. This picture is completely looks like a triangle. So that means the area of triangle is equal to the distance covered by the body when a body is moving with uniform speed in a distance time graph. So that means the distance traveled by the body, that means from the graph, PH graph, from the graph, this one, from the graph, that means this one. So this one from the graph, that means second portion is rectangle का down portion, इस rectangle का down वाला portion. Look at this, from the graph, the distance traveled by the body, distance traveled equals to what? Look at this geometrical figure. It looks like a triangle. As we know that the area of triangle, how we can calculate this area? Distance, that means area of triangle. That means area of triangle what? OAB or OBA. OBA. As we know that area of triangle equals to what? 1/2 into base into height. As we know that from the formula, area of triangle equals to what? Base into height. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. So that means distance traveled equal to half 1/2 base of the triangle. That means OB is the base. That means something is standing that place. That means suppose जैसे कि हम खड़ा है, मेरा बेस क्या है? As a line है, as a lane. So that means जो support करता है, support कौन कर रहा है? This portion. That means OB equals to what? Height. The height, vertical line of the figure is height. That means AB. distance traveled by the body in that graph when a body is moving with uniform motion equals to what? 1 by 2 into OB into AB. That means area of triangle 1 by 2 into B into H. B into H. This will be equal to what? Distance traveled by the body. Distance traveled by the body. Distance traveled by the body. And I think it's enough for today. I will give you one questions in your WhatsApp. Please solve this question if you getting all the points during the discussion. If you got all these points during the discussion, I will give you one question, numerical question you have to solve and send the solution on your WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.